the Best Actress winner is Mr. Liro Bautista, President of Katipunan ng mga Artistang Pilipino sa Pelikula at Telebisyon.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang nagugi po bilang Best Actress, Maricel Soriano, Ines Bangladesh. Maraming salamat po sa Luna Awards sa Film Academy of the Philippines. In behalf of Maricel Soriano, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Presenting the Best Actor winner is Jaco Ramirez from the Katipunan ng mga Artistang Pilipino sa Pelikula at Telebisyon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner for the Best Actor is Mr. Roderick Polanco.
Sabi ko sa kanya, pareho kami ng intention, sabi ko, nakakamiss ang tap. At sabi ko nga, nandito kami para supportan ang Film Academy of the Philippines. Alam ko po, maraming magagaling na artistang lalaki, laban-laban. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, namimiss namin kaya kami reminisce kami ng past. We still remember when we used to hold the event, di ba, sa NBN. Tapos, nagsama-sama mga artista, nominado o hindi, nandoon dumadating ang lahat ng mga nagawa ng pelikulang Pilipino. It's been a lot to me. Maraming salamat po. Please allow me to share this award with Maricel Soriano also. Kasi malaki po ang collaboration nangyari sa amin. At salamat din po sa aking director, si Eric Reyes. Maraming salamat sa pagbantay mo sa amin, Maria. And thank you also, and your mom also. Florian Santos, aming producer, maraming salamat. At sa lahat po ng cast na bumubuo ng Ines Mother's Eyes. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko lang ulitin, Luna Film Academy, na-miss ko kayo. Sana magsama-sama ulit, as hindi sinabi ni Manny Morfe kanina at ni ating mahal na director, also my director, Joy Reyes, na sana ma-unite tayong lahat, magsama-sama, tulungan natin ulit bumalik ang atmosphere ng Film Academy of the Philippines, kung saan tayo nasusuportahan. Hindi tayo naghihilahan pababa, hindi paakyat. Lahat tayo, magtulong-tulong po tayo. Dahil gawin natin ito hindi lang para sa atin, kundi para sa lahat na manggagawa ng pelikulang Pilipino. Magandang gabi po. Thank you very much.
Best Supporting Actress, Ana Apat Santos.
Good evening, everyone. Wait, should have worn higher heels. I'd like to thank, of course, the Film Academy for my Luna Award. Thank you so much. It's so unexpected. Thank you, Direct Wayne. Thank you so much for making me a part of your gem of a film, Third World Romance. It was really amazing working with you. Working with your vision and your material, and all the actors also in this film. They were just awesome to be with, and I am so honored to be in this film. Also, of course, all the other nominees, Iya, Angel, Chi, wonderful women and actors. I'm so honored. Mabuhay kayong lahat at mabuhay ang Sineng Pilipino. Salamat.
The best supporting actor for Luna Award is Elaine Santos.
Hello po, and wonderful evening all of us po. I just want to say thank you po for this speech so hard po. And I dedicated my performance po to everyone in the spectrum and to every special child in this world po. And of course, sa lahat ng mga audience na fan akong special. Kaya I want to thank my Star Talent family po, tsaka my directors, FMS po, and that's all I'm about.